Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can reset your Tapo C510W. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is take the camera and make it like this. And there you're going to have two screws and you have to unscrew it. And there you're going to find a reset button. And what you're going to find, you have to take some kind of like a pin or a paper clip, and you have to press the reset button for about 10 seconds. And it's going to say, it's going to show you a red light, and then it's going to say reset has been like completed. Then you're gonna take it out, and this is how you're gonna reset it. Pretty simple and pretty easy. I just want to make this quick video for you. Thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.